told me more than once to show you my intention.
Hey guys, it's Kerima and thank you so much for tuning into another cleaning video. So we are jumping right into the cleaning. So if you have some areas in your house you need to tackle, come clean along with me. And if you don't, if you're all caught up on your chores, just sit back and relax. Enjoy the motivation for when you do need to clean. In this video, I'm going to be tackling my master bedroom and both the bathrooms upstairs. I plan on doing the kids' room as well, but I got up early in the morning and got to it and everyone was still sleeping, so I did as much as I could. I'm not going to do a ton of talking in this video, so I just want to introduce myself real quick if you're new here. Again, my name is Kerima. I'm a full-time working mom. I got 2 kids and I'm married, and I like to make cleaning motivational videos and mommy motivational videos, pretty much just getting things done as a busy mom and wife. So if you enjoy those type of videos, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment, liking the video. It really helps my channel grow.
Out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. On. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me.
So while I finally get to cleaning out my nightstand basket, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, Bombas, for working with me. For one, if you are an OG viewer of my channel, then you know I never walk around barefoot. I always have on either a pair of socks, slippers, or shoes, but I cannot stand walking around barefoot, especially on hardwood floors or tile floors. So I was really excited to partner with Bombas because they have some of the most comfortable pair of socks that I've ever worn. And they come in so many cute colors and designs. They're a quality made sock. They're nice and thick. They wash well. I've actually worn these socks here in the video a couple of times. I've washed them. They don't get linty, so I really think they're worth the price. But more importantly, I love the fact that Bombas is a company that gives back. Socks are one of the most requested items for homeless shelters, so every time you purchase a pair of socks from Bombas, they will donate a pair to a person in need. They've donated over 45 million pairs of socks and counting nationwide. So give a pair when you buy a pair and get 20% off your first purchase using my promo code guiltfree. Click the link in my description box and use code guiltfree for 20% off at checkout. And thanks again to Bombas for partnering with me on this video. So as usual, I'm still struggling to get this load laundry folded and put away, but it's okay. I am grateful for the fact that it is clean, one step at a time. It's a lot of clothes between 4 people, so right now you are going to see me slide those baskets of clean laundry in the closet for later. I just want to get the room clean, and when the room is clean, I can sit down, fold, and put away the clothes.
Just keep on doing what you do, 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 do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be 2 of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah.
So here is the room, nice and tidy, or as tidy as it's going to be. You've seen Kingston in here already. That is my little shadow. He goes everywhere I go. So of course he was jumping all over my bed. That's why it looks like that, but it's tidy enough for me. So my bathroom actually wasn't as bad as it can be sometimes. The tub did need to be cleaned out because Kingston's been bathing in there, but my shower is actually much better. I started using that Method shower daily cleaner again. I forgot I had it and found it again, and it really works so well. So I haven't been having that really thick soap scum buildup on my glass. That was what I was showing you in that clip.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be 2 of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
stuff you never meet, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
So I am still using the microban, and I think I used a little bit of the spick and span spray to clean my tub, which I actually cannot stand. I love the spick and span spray, but I do not like using liquid cleaners to clean my tub. I prefer powdered cleaners like Barkeeper's Friend or Ajax, Comet, something along those lines. And I've been to Dollar Tree and Walmart at least 5 times since I last cleaned my bathroom, and still I forgot to pick up a can of any one of those. So somebody please remind me, please don't let me wash this tub again without getting some powder cleaner.
Nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again.
So now I am in the kids' bathroom getting that clean, and I was so proud of myself because I did all of this by 8 in the morning. I got up around 6:30, 6:45, rode my Peloton for about 15-20 minutes, then changed and got to cleaning this bathroom. Tried to get all of that done by 9 because I have so many things to do. Summer is just as busy as any other part of the year for me, so I try to get as much done as I can. I ran to the pool store after I finished cleaning the bathroom, got there about 9:30 so I could get my water tested because I'm trying so hard to get my pool back in service so we can enjoy it for some part of this summer. Then Chloe is on a swim team, so she has her swim meets, swimming practice actually at 11. So I like to have most of the things that I need to be done by that time so I can focus on her and getting her where she needs to be.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going oh, you got me going oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
Hey guys, so the bathrooms are nice and clean. I pretty much got to most of the areas on the second floor that I wanted to get to, minus the kids' room, but that'll be another video. I hope you guys got a ton of motivation that you needed. And if you are just kind of relaxing, I just hope you enjoyed the video and spending some time with me. I love you guys as always, and I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video.